Check it, is it boiling?
But I know we miss your old self too. Never wants cooking.
So everything is ready for our okra soup, tomato, shake, fish, dry fish, chicken drumsticks and chicken wings, or more stockfish. In here I have beef and goat meat, okra, ugu leaves, and red oil, crayfish, stock cubes, ozeza leaves, grinded ogbono, mixed seafood. I have prawn, mussels, what are their names again? Clams, yeah, onions, pepper. Yeah, so we are going to be starting in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, so I just showed you guys all the items I'll be cooking the signature seafood okra soup, my daughter's best soup with. Yeah, I've been prepping, blending, cutting, grinding. It was a lot, washing, getting everything ready, and now I'm done. I didn't want to be doing everything while cooking, get things ready while, like, let's say I wash the meat, start cooking the meat while prepping other things. No, I wanted to get everything ready today so that once I start cooking, to just be throw in, put in, stir, boom, 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 and we are done. So the only thing I need to do now is to blend the pepper and the tomato and then slice the ozeza leaf, and that's basically it. So yeah, I plan on cooking oha as well. This is my oha leaf. I plan on cooking that, but the thickener I want to use, I don't want to use cocoyam this time around. I have cocoyam in the freezer if I want to. I might still use it, I'm not sure. I wanted to use ofo. So yeah, this is the ofo I wanted to use. It's in water soaking, but it is still very, very hard. It's still very, very hard, so I'm not sure I'll be using the ofo. I don't know. Let me just, I'm not in a hurry. I'm home today, like the rest of today I'm home. So let me just wait till, this is just 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I'll cook the okra soup now and then wait till much later in the evening, maybe at about 5-6 ish. If the ofo has melted, then I'll blend it and cook the oha soup with it. If it hasn't, I can still cook it tomorrow. I can. Yeah, but because I just checked, it is as strong as a stone and it has been soaking since 7 a.m. in the morning. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's like 5 hours. So let's just give it time. So yeah, I will just start cooking the okra soup, and yeah. Hey guys, how you guys doing? So guys, I'll be cooking yam porridge now. I bought these vegetables in city center for £2.50 each. That's £5. And this is my odobu yam. So guys, I bought this yam from Birmingham market. Is it 2 weeks now, or last week we went to Birmingham, and there I want to cook this too. I plan on cooking yam porridge. I've missed eating yam porridge. Come guys, let's cook yam porridge together. So this is my yam. Just to slice the yam, put it some boil, put it in the burner to boil, then we'll start cooking. Yeah. Fresh yam. Kiss, kiss. Mwah. Don't worry.
Mommy, I found Piro.
Keep it, it's for school tomorrow. And that's the last fruit.
The hand.
You check it, is it boiling? Alright.
The skin. The pan. The skin.
So there's the oil here. It's called what?
Oil.
Red oil.
Red oil. Shirt.
Yes, that orange juice. People want to have some orange juice.
No, Mom. This is mine.
know it's gonna make you big. Where would I go if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you? Wanna be the one to give you what you want. Like I was you and you shouldn't run. Fighting around town with your hair down low. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. Give you baby what you doing for so long. I can tell your friends you do the wrong thing. You like to go slow, you like to go faster. Let me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I make nice things. Slide any other.
It's yummy, right? See the yam for you. See the yam for baby.
So wait, let's go to downstairs. Wait. Mom, I want to try some too.
Slide any other man tryna get in the bed. So one of these lost instead. I know it's gonna make you big. Where would I go if I didn't love you? If I didn't love you, babe, what would I do?
Yummy.
Go and ask your daddy if he's eating now.
Daddy.
Ask him, is he eating yam pop?
Wanna give you what you want. Like I was you and you shouldn't run. Fighting around town with your hair down low. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. Give you baby what you doing for so long. I can tell your friends you do the wrong thing. You like to go slow, you like to go faster. Let me the password. Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I make nice. I know it's gonna make you big. Where would I go if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I?
Orange juice, fresh orange juice. This is the thing.
Oh wow. Mama, can you drink it?
Cheers! Mad.
Drink some. Have some drink. You might be thirsty.